Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, this is going to be all about my journey into the Philippines and settling here, and hopefully making a business that can benefit not only me but maybe employ other people as well. Anyway, so that's the story. That's what we're doing. If you like the idea of that, don't forget to hit subscribe. And so this is day-to-day life at the moment in the Philippines. Just hi, good morning. Thank you. So day-to-day life in the Philippines, just friendly people behind me. Day-to-day life in the Philippines as I'm getting settled and discovering what to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoy just a few little odds and bits and bobs that we're doing. Just going out eating around by Mega World. So you might see some places that you know if you're from this area, or you might see some new places if you're not. Anyway, enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Right, I'm swapping condos again today, and so I'm just moving into a new one, and you've got a code for the door. As you can see, I'm literally just arrived and trying to get in. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this. I'm not going to show you the code, just in case it isn't changed. Right, open, and the key is here. Right, so this is pretty much exactly like the other one. So let's just, all the electric's on. Right, I'm going to take my bags off so I can show you around. There we go. Right, guided tour of the apartment. Right, you can see I am wearing my Dolphins Football Club top with my name on the back. Right, shower with the obligatory bucket. That's alright. Little cooking area, induction hob. Kind of like, oh, there's a kettle. Gonna need that for coffee in the morning. Cooking pot, microwave, a few bits and bobs, some water, some help yourself and honesty box stuff there to pay for, TV. Great, we have Wi-Fi, which is super important. So I can do some videos and edit, and oh, nice bit of art. This is a print of someone's artwork, and I'm guessing that's probably the same. Okay, so we've got AC here. AC and an additional plug there. It's okay. Little table. What else do we need? Not a lot, right? Bit of cupboard space. Right. Just gonna get ready, finish off. I'm just editing a video, finish that off, and then I'm gonna head down and meet May. And she's down there's that's why I'm wearing this today. She is watching a football game that her son's playing in. So I'll see you in a minute down there. Right, we are going off to meet May, and she doesn't make a grab, so it's Z4Y. So it's a bit like my DDs in China. It's the same kind of thing. So let's just see if the car's here. Oh, well, this is going to be a little bit embarrassing because I try and get in the wrong car. You're not a cab? No, okay. Not that one. Started to get a bit worried. Right, this one is mine. Got the number wrong last time, so this one should be me. Hi, how you doing? That's fine. Thanks. The cab driver was super friendly, and we had a nice long chat on the way across town. His daughter was living in England and working as a nurse. But yeah, I know I've tried to travel quite a bit when I'm out here. I want to go to Sticky Hall, Dumageddon.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice place also.
Yeah. And I've not actually been to Boracay yet. So I need to get myself down to Boracay or over to Boracay. Hi, this is the street outside. Busy, busy. Mega World is over there. This is the two-story kitchen. Right, we're going to eat today. We're eating at two-story kitchen. So we are in Bacolod town. And we're just going to eat some Korean food in here. Place where memories are made. There you go. Let's make some memories. Right, there's the kitchen area. Hi. We're just over there. I'm already inside.
Hi, okay.
Thanks. Right, this is the eating area. Two-story eating areas. I guess that's why it's called two-story kitchen. Because there's different bits upstairs. So it's very busy lunchtime. There's a few people here. Two-story
Or do you want me to order for us?
Korean food. It depends. Teriyaki chicken's nice. I definitely want a bowl of kimchi.
Hi, Japagari.
What's this, Jabaghetti?
Told you, like it so much. Thank you.
Instant noodles with an egg.
This is like black spaghetti
Black spaghetti.
called Japagari.
Jabaghetti.
I need my...
So if you like Korean food, you'll appreciate Korean pickles, Korean kimchi, all the extra stuff that comes with it is delicious. This is cold and crunchy and sour. Really good, really good. Right, I'm just gonna have just a mouthful of this Jabaghetti. So you got the normal Korean metal. Korea always has metal chopsticks, by the way. So here it is, the black noodles. Just like normal instant noodles, ramen noodles. They're nice. Just normal noodles. What flavour are they? Jam again. What flavour are they?
instant normal noodle.
Yeah, they're good. Thank you very much. There's your food. Look at that beautiful food there. This is
Soy sauce fried chicken.
soy sauce fried chicken.
Kimchi. Side dish.
There's some kimchi. Alright, this is the chicken. And it is crunchy and pretty moist. So the chicken's really good as well. The batter's crunchy and soft. And it's got that sweet, sticky dressing or coating on it. Right, this is mango and vanilla. Of course, you can't come to the Philippines without drinking mango or eating a mango at least. Nice. Mango can be a bit thick, so this is really about right, the right kind of consistency for good sucking. Cold, mangoey, little hint of vanilla, lovely. I bet you do. Oh, thank you. Lovely. Thank you.
Paano mag-bellman? Tamo ko na like mo na.
Hindi, ano lang yun, Miles.
Ato doon naman.
What am I doing?
He said bell, but I don't. I think it's broken down.
Anyway, so there's the teriyaki chicken.
Sige lang. Teriyaki.
Teriyaki chicken. Right, there is my teriyaki chicken. Wow, look at that. That sauce in there. That teriyaki sauce is sweet, sticky.
Like you. Oh, yours is wet and sticky.
Sweet and sticky, just
Yours
like
is
me.
wet and sticky, not sweet.
Quite like those little burnt bits on the corner. They give it a good extra bit of taste. Unfortunately, it's taken a while to come. So I've been eating all maize food. Quite a bit of meat in there actually. About 4 big hunks of meat. Half a chicken, probably. And it's bloody hot. Right, good chicken. Teriyaki sauce is nice, as always. Overall, very nice. Nice place to eat, nice food. So this is a 2-story kitchen, and I'd probably give it a thumbs up. So what's that place there?
Mega World.
This is Mega World. Okay, Mega World. Oh yeah, there you go. Mega World. So we're just walking back to get our laundry. Right, there's some corn here being grilled by the side of the road.
Yay.
Yay, but nay. The corn man's left. I'm saying corn man, not con man. Corn man's coming.
Yes.
How many are you getting?
Sila ganing sweet corn niya.
Green tea?
Yeah, hari na ako.
Green ka?
Okay.
It is on 20
Nice.
pesos.
Hey?
You have 20.
Maybe look in my
Yeah.
bag. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you and bye. What are they cooking here?
Banana.
Banana? Oh, banana.
Do you want?
Not really.
With sugar.
Sugar. What's the sugar? Nice. Hi.
Do you want?
Hey. Right, next little job today is we're just going to head back down to the laundry, pick up all our clothes because I am left with one shirt to wear. It's quite nice walking along these little residential areas. Yeah, life in the suburbs, life in the burbs, life in the burbs and the fills. Here it is. Minutes laundry.
How much? So much.
Hey?
15.
210 plus 150. Okay. So the laundry costs $3.60 to get done, which is about $8. So it's well worth
Well, I can
doing.
carry
Saves a
the
lot of
corn.
time, effort, and probably a bit cheaper anyway.
And then you can carry this if you want. How does that sound?
So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that episode. Just going around with us for the day, eating a bit of food and looking at some places in Bacolod. So don't forget, if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye for now.